All right, so we got the Bitcoin all-time high coming, according to this analyst.
Let's
So
go.
the crunch point for Bitcoin bulls is closer than you might think, argues. I wonder how you say Michael when there's two dots above the E. Do you change it?
Mikkel?
Is it Mikkel?
I don't know.
Is it like a Stefan Urkel type of thing? Mikkel?
Maybe.
Yeah, talk about a cool guy, man. All right, so near yet so far for the Bitcoin price all-time high. That's not how I feel. I feel like it's close. It's right around the corner. All right, so data from CoinMarketPro and TradingView showing is drawing little attention as it's trading sideways. After multiple days of this, analysts have remained firmly on the altcoins. I know we're liking our altcoin pumps right here. And this guy's arguing that 64,000 would provide a springboard for the bulls should it break through it convincingly. Level has been resistance throughout the week. Will there be chopping between 58, 64, and 64 is where the crucial area is, breaking through to get that new all-time high? It's kind of like what I was saying before, the 58,000. I think, that's about as low as I expect it to go. But, there's nothing wrong with consolidating. Consolidating is fine. Boring is fine. I mean, this is crypto. Like, let's zoom out. Like, what was your Bitcoin a year ago?
Yeah.
It was worth a lot more. I mean, we're still looking at a 10x. Some of you in those altcoins, you're looking at 100x, and that's why we like to diversify here. So November is already expected to be a month of extremes, including a dip to the mid 50,000 zone before ending on a high that could top 98. I'd be a little surprised if it went that high this month. I think it's going to be quite hard to get to that level. And I think we might be realizing ourselves that the cycle might take longer than the previous 4-year halving cycle. A survey by Plan B, responsible for the minimum monthly close series, he revealed that the majority of respondents believe 288 will hit before the start of 2022. I mean, in the majority of respondents in what Hope Boy magazine, like, I mean, not my circles, and that's not what we think around here. I mean, is it possible? Sure, anything's possible, but do I think it's going to hit 288 in 59 days or 58 days? No. I mean, what's your thoughts on that?
Well, I think you said it well there. You got to look at the respondents to the survey. If you're
Yeah.
doing a survey on crypto Twitter or Bitcoin Twitter, that's basically everybody in your audience are huge Bitcoin bulls, then you're going to obviously skew to the upside there. If you go do that poll just generally with people that aren't into crypto and ask them if you think it's going to hit 288 in the next 60 days, you're not going to get that overwhelming yes. But
Yeah,
I do think 98 by the end of this month is plausible.
I think 98 is plausible. I mean, Bitcoin likes to surprise people. Yeah, if I went to a Magic the Gathering festival and said, is every Ethereum transaction burning down a rainforest? 48% of respondents would say yes, a resounding yes. So, yeah, I mean, you just got to be careful, kind of like what you said, where are you asking these people? So, yeah. You go to a Maxi, forum board is going to have a lot different opinion versus if you ask, someone basing it on math, say a Cowan or a Plan B or what's the one guy, Will Clemente, I think it is, the third or something. So, yeah, I mean, just got to be careful where you get your information. We see that a lot with articles. They'll say, oh, 80% of respondents are familiar with crypto. And it's like, well, where's the survey? And it's like crypto.com. Well, yeah. I mean, yeah, of course. That's, go to a Facebook used couch selling forum. It's going to be a lot lower percentage than that.
Yeah, I think it was you and I think, talking about a Goldman Sachs survey where they were saying, Bitcoin was risky and they'd rather have everything in equities. And it's like, well, of course, if you ask guys at Goldman Sachs that have all their stuff in equities, they're going to say they think that's what makes the most sense. It's just